COVID-19 has now reached the Caribbean as the Dominican Republic, the French islands of St. Barts and St. Martin recorded their first cases. Health officials believe it's now a matter of time before the virus spreads to Grenada and neighboring islands. As concern over the coronavirus increases, Chief Medical Officer in the Ministry of Health, Francis Martin, is assuring the public that government has plans in place should the outbreak reach our shores.
Rest assured that there is contingency plans in place for mass quarantine if it's needed and mass isolation if it is needed. I really hope that we do not get to that point, but I'm happy that we have thought about it in collaboration with our partners, including SGU. We have thought about ideas of what we're going to do going forward for mass quarantine.
Dr. Martin confirmed that table exercises were held on Sunday to test government's response method and to identify gaps within the system.
It was great that we did the tabletop because we got a chance to actually see, I want to say firsthand, but have a really good working knowledge as to what problems we might face, what gaps exist in our service provision, and at the same time come up with solutions as to how we're going to fix those areas. At the end of the exercise, our healthcare providers were very confident that we have a system that is in place to deal with the event that in the event that someone is going to show up.
The CMO is reminding Grenadians that while there are plans in place to deal with the virus, it is always better to be proactive.
It is really important that as a public health response and as a people, we focus on what would prevent the transmission of the disease. I know treatment and hospital care is important. In any healthcare system, people want to know that the system and the healthcare system is prepared enough to deal with it. But one must not focus on managing or treating the case. One and every citizen must focus on avoiding community transmission and avoid getting infected in the first place. And that is what my clarion call to the nation is. Prevent this thing by avoiding transmission and avoiding infection.
For GBN News, I am Rena Perry reporting.